Life after being unemployed. But before I begin, let me take you back to a tragic day in my life. Yeah, so this was me on the day I got let go from my job, which I didn't see coming. But the more I thought about things, I realized I fell off balance. I honestly wasn't happy working there. Not because of the job itself, but the environment I was in. And even though it didn't make sense at first, I am a firm believer in the universe and God looking out for me. Because the harsh truth is, we're all easily replaceable when working for a company. And the fact is, we're all just living in a human rat race, racing against time. And truthfully, that is not the life I want to live. So I'm choosing to live my life differently. And you can too. So after grieving the loss of my big girl job, I've grown inspired to do what's best for me, myself, and I. Flipping to a new chapter in my life, I found value within myself, my time, and most importantly, I found my greater sense of purpose. And that is to simply just do what makes me truly happy. Doing things that brings me joy and peace. Like being able to explore a new coffee shop with my girlfriend on a Monday morning. Cooking up a new dish. Enrolled myself into a boxing class. And boy was it fun. I even started baking. And yes, I went to a rave even though I'm not a raver. I celebrated my birthday in Seattle, spent quality time with my friends, and last but not least, I started job hunting again and got interviews. Overall, for a girl like me that likes to stay busy, unemployment wasn't so bad after all. Being able to recognize and prioritize my mental and physical health has allowed me to be balanced again. So if you're going through something similar, just know that I truly believe that things happen for a reason, for greater things to come. With that being said, peace and love to you all. See y'all in the next one.